I paid my credit card on time. I even paid the full statement balance. So why did my credit score go down? The answer was hiding in one number that I had never been taught to watch. The night before, everything felt normal. Groceries, gas, one dinner with friends. Nothing dramatic. Just ordinary life on one card. My payment went through before the due date. I closed the app and felt responsible. Then the next morning, my score had dropped. Not by a disaster-sized amount, just enough to make my stomach tighten. I checked for a late payment. There wasn't one. I checked for a new account. Nothing. I checked again, because numbers feel personal when they move. That afternoon, I showed Alex. I paid on time. What did I do wrong?
Maybe nothing. What was the balance before your statement closed?
Around $800.
And your credit limit?
$1,000.
Then the number you're looking for is 80%.
80% of what?
Your credit utilization. Utilization. Think of your credit limit like this glass. The whole glass is the credit available to you. The water is the balance showing on your card. $800 in a $1,000 glass means it looks 80% full. Credit scoring models may read a nearly full glass as more risk.
Even if I pay it off?
Yes, if the high balance is the snapshot reported before your payment appears.
I had been watching the due date.
That protects you from being late. But the statement closing date is a different moment. Many card issuers report account information around the end of the billing cycle, so your report may show the balance from that snapshot even when you pay the statement in full by the due date.
So the score wasn't calling me irresponsible.
No, it was reacting to the information available at that moment.
I used to think 30% was a magic line.
It isn't magic. Lower utilization is generally better, and 30% is only a broad guideline. You also don't need to carry debt or pay interest to build credit.
So I made a simpler plan. Keep paying on time. Keep paying the statement balance in full when I can. Before a statement closes, check whether one unusually large purchase has filled too much of the glass. If cash flow allows, I can pay part of it early. Not to chase a perfect score, but to make sure the snapshot matches the way I actually manage money. A few weeks later, the balance updated. The number changed again. But this time, I didn't panic. My score wasn't judging me. It was reacting to a snapshot. And now I knew where to look. One number, one date, a lot less confusion. That's what understanding money should feel like.